What's the number one food that causes high blood pressure? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you. My name is Dr. Story. I've been a chiropractor for over 23 years, and I'm going to give you realistic advice based on my experience. The number one food that causes high blood pressure, high fructose corn syrup. This stuff is terrible for you. It leads to diabetes. It leads to chronic inflammation all over the body. It leads to being overweight. But the main culprit is that chronic inflammation all over our body, especially in our arteries, leads to high blood pressure. My advice with this, you got to learn to read labels. If you buy a packaged food and it has high fructose corn syrup in it, just simply find an alternative food. Do not eat that food. This is the number one food that causes high blood pressure in the long run. We need to stop eating this stuff. It's terrible for us. There's a number of reasons why high fructose corn syrup is used in our packaged food. It doesn't matter. Stop eating it. The best thing you can eat is something that doesn't come in a package. If something doesn't have an ingredient list, you should eat it. If something comes in a nice shiny box with an athlete on top, it's very likely that the first ingredient is high fructose corn syrup. Stop eating that stuff. What I tell patients is, if it was made in the laboratory, do not eat it. You should invest in the company because that company is going to get rich. Don't eat food that was made in a laboratory. Eat food that was made by nature. It's not enough with blood pressure to simply just eat foods that are healthy for you and to do the breathing exercises and to do the exercises. You also have to eliminate the foods that actually trigger blood pressure. So if you're eating healthy foods, if you're taking supplements and eating supplements and you're exercising, but you're also eating foods with high fructose corn syrup, it's a bad situation. The best thing you can do is to eliminate this product from your diet. If you thought this was interesting, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions at all, ask in the comment section below. I'd be happy to answer them for you.